Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, today's look is chocolate inspired, which who doesn't love chocolate? If you don't, I think you're a little bit crazy, maybe. No, it's alright if you don't, but I personally am a chocolate lover. So I thought this look was really fun, and it is surprisingly really flattering to wear a brown lip color. So if you would like to see how to recreate this look yourself, then go ahead and keep on watching. The first thing I'm going to be doing is highlighting and contouring. I'm going to get most of my face makeup done, or at least just the highlight and contour, and then I will go back in and finish everything else once we're done with the eyes. So I am using indigo contour first. I did spot conceal a little bit with Aura and just use my finger. And then I'm going to flip it over to the tapered side, and I'm going to do kind of like a mixture of linen and Aura. And just go ahead and start brightening. So now that I have the highlight and contour on, I am going to do my blush and everything because I want to set it all with powder so that when I do eyeshadow it's not going to get stuck. So the blush combo I'm going to be using is a mixture of Bare and Sandstone, mostly Bare with just a little bit of Sandstone. Once you have it, everything the way you want, you can go in with your powder. I'm going to be baking today, so I'm going to be using the Airspun powder and the Perfector sponge. Okay, so the first eyeshadow we're going to be taking is the color Bubba. This color, you are honestly, I like to start in the outer corner first, but we are going to be applying it all over the lid and into the crease and upper crease. So it's just kind of, you know, getting that color on and making sure it just blends and fades naturally up towards the brow bone. And then we're going to flip it over to the pencil side of the brush. Just going to run that all the way across the lower lash line, working it downwards. Next color we're going in with is Trust, and I kind of like to actually start at the lash line as well, and then that way the color just fades. So we're pretty much just going to bring this like all over the lid and then directly into the crease. And you'll want to do layers of this and just kind of build it up as dark and smoky as you would like, which is kind of the nice part about using the blending brush. You can really control how dark everything gets, or if you want to keep it a lighter brown, go ahead and do that. But I love how simple this look is to create. It's like very, very easy. So now that we have that, we can kind of sweep up that powder really quick. And the final step for the eyes is just to apply a little bit of honey with your finger on the inner corner. And we will do the fake lashes, and I actually have a whole video on how to apply fake lashes, so check that out if you want more details. The lashes I'm going to be applying today are Red Aspen lashes in the style Priya, I believe is how you say it. Final step is going to be lip color, which really finishes off the chocolate inspired makeup look. And believe it or not, we are going to be using contour to kind of line the lips. And I love to use the big multitasker end of the brush. Okay, so once you have your lips lined the way that you like, then you're going to go in with the Bella Cream Bronzer and just apply that all over your lips. And this seriously is a really, really pretty color. You would not expect a brownish color like this to be so flattering, but it actually is, and I just love it. After all of that, your look is complete. How did you like this chocolate inspired look? I hope you loved it too. Go ahead and give this video a like if you did. And as always, please subscribe. If you need any help picking out mascara makeup, being color matched, or picking out lashes, please send me an email, and that is listed in the description box. Thank you guys so very much for watching, and I will see you all next week. Bye guys.